Hi there, friendly listener. Welcome back to InkLingo. Today's story is called A Trip to the Zoo, and we'll be practicing some beginner Spanish together. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Let's warm up with a few key words. Zoológico means zoo. Ve means sees. Pequeño means small. And grande means big. In our story, Ana visits the zoo and sees some amazing animals, big and small. Let's follow along as Ana explores the zoológico. Here we go.
Ana va al zoológico. El zoológico es grande. Ana ve un elefante. El elefante es muy grande. El elefante es gris. Después, Ana ve un mono. El mono es pequeño. El mono come una banana. La banana es amarilla. Finalmente, Ana ve un león. El león es grande y amarillo. Ana está feliz. A Ana le gusta el zoológico.
And that's it. Ana had a wonderful day at the zoológico, seeing a big elephant, a small monkey, and a big yellow lion. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app. See you next time.